I'm going to show you how easy it is to choose various color schemes for your LawLytics hosted site. Here we have a sample palette that's already imported into this site. From here we can change any of these three colors. These three colors are what inform the remaining many colors on any individual website or blog. And what happens is that our algorithm detects what these colors are and uses these numbers of the colors to pick matching and complementary colors to fill in the rest of what your site needs. So from these presets, you can modify any of the colors on each individual position of those three. You can ask based on these three that the system select or recommend for you new configurations by pressing this new suggestion button. And every time you press this new suggestion button, you'll see that the colors change. Sometimes the change is profound, sometimes the change is so slight it's nearly unnoticeable. If and when you find a color configuration that you like for your firm based on pressing new suggestions, you can do one of two things to preserve it. You can either make it live right away, which will cause it to go live on your website if the website is already being displayed on the internet, or you can add this color scheme, which includes these three colors and all the background colors that support it, to your favorites. And here we're going to just say good colors. We'll name it, you can name it whatever you want. And we save it. And then later on you can go back and compare it to others by looking at your favorites, and it will be in there with the other ones that you saved. And here is this one. And now we'll go ahead and make those changes live. Now this is not the best color scheme overall, but this is just to show you. There are other ways to select your colors as well. You can choose from a menu of preset colors, which will pull in three matching colors, and then you can do the same thing with the color suggestions until you find what you like. Or you can use our image color extractor. And to do that, you press From Image. What this is going to do is it's going to call up every picture that you have in your firm's media library. Some attorneys are going to want to use their logo and match their site to their logo. Others may want to use a picture of their office or a picture of the group of lawyers in their firm. We'll just choose one at random here. We'll choose this one. And what it does is it extracts the dominant colors from that picture, and then you choose three of them to use in your site or blog. And once you make that selection, you press Save, and now that color palette that you just extracted from your image will appear in your View Favorite section, and you can select it and then have the system suggest variations of it using the new suggestion tool. When you find a palette that you like, it's always important that you either save it or make those changes live. Otherwise, you may not be able to find that again, at least easily. We recommend experimenting with as many color palettes as you want. Changing the colors does nothing to affect the function or the layout of the site. It simply changes the colors around. And you always want to check once you've changed the colors and go through the various pages of your site or blog to make sure that everything looks okay, that links aren't washed out, that it looks okay with your pictures, and so forth. And we're confident that you'll figure out easily based on this the color combination that works for your firm. But this gives you the flexibility to easily change it at any time and experiment with what not only you think, but what your clients think and how they react as well.